Benefits of lemon peels. Not many of us know about the health benefits and nutrition value of lemon peels. So, before throwing the lemon peel away after squeezing the lemon juice or using it in any salad etc., think twice because even lemon peels are very beneficial. Benefits of lemon peels. Number 1. Improves bone health. Lemon peels help in improving bone health. It contains a high amount of calcium and vitamin C, which help in maintaining and improving the health of bones. Lemon peel also helps in preventing bone-related diseases like osteoporosis, rheumatoid arthritis and inflammatory polyarthritis. Number 2. Treats oxidative stress. They helps in reducing oxidative stress. Lemon peels have high amounts of citrus bio-flavonoids, which are a very powerful source for the reduction of oxidative stress from your body. Number 3. Fights cancer. Hardly people know, but lemon peels are also used in the prevention and treatment of cancer. It contains salvestrol Q40 and limonene, which help in fighting the cancerous cells present in the body. Number 4. Reduces cholesterol. These are also helpful in decreasing the cholesterol levels in the body, which results in maintaining good health of our hearts. This is due to the presence of flavonoids in lemon peels. Number 5. Promotes weight loss. Lemon peels helps in promotion of weight loss. They contain a component known as pectin, which is responsible for the promotion of weight loss in the body. If you like a video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and share with friends.